Hey, good afternoon, Bridlewood. This is Norbert. I'm coming to you with the monthly numbers, with the monthly sales numbers for October 2024. And we've got a couple things happening here that you're going to want to pay attention to the very end of the video. We're going to be talking about, of course, the October year-over-year numbers and what's been happening there. And, of course, what everybody's been talking about are interest rates and what's going to be happening with those. So make sure you stick to the end for those. But let's get right into this. For the month of October, as of right now, we've got 4 homes that are active on the market. Those come out to a price, for a list price of $1,194,250. That comes out to an average price per square foot of $232.48. Now, we did have one home that closed. That closed at a price of $669,000 and a price of $199.05. So again, a lot of things happening in the market, and we're starting to see more and more movement. Of course, we're going to start talking a little bit more about the effects now that the election is over, and I don't really care who won or lost, but how is it going to affect us as homeowners here in the area? So we've been anticipating an interest rate cut, and that happened today. Today is November 7th. Today that I'm filming this, we did see another quarter point cut to the interest rate. Now, understand that does not directly affect the mortgage rate, and we're going to see how that's going to go off. A few months ago, we had a 50 basis point cut, and we saw interest rates go up. So we need to make sure that we just have a real understanding of how that's going to be affecting the mortgage interest rates, but it is going to be affecting us. Here's another interesting fact, that if you're looking to buy or sell, you need to know this because it's going to affect you either way. And that is that every year we have on average around close to 4 million homes that sell in the United States. Well, this year we saw that about 25% of people said they're putting off their purchase until after the election. What does that mean for you? If you're selling the house, that means that we're going to start seeing more and more buyers get into that market, and we're going to start seeing some more activity happening. The worst thing to do, and I'm serious about this, is do not overprice your home. If you overprice your home, there's so much inventory coming on, those buyers are going to go find that other home. And despite what you think, people are not looking to negotiate down. They're going to be submitting those low offers and bringing it back up. So this is not one of those, let me overprice to give me room to negotiate. The other thing that's happening is we know going forward, and this again does not matter who the candidate is, those interest rates are coming down. So imagine that you now have 25% of buyers who were anticipated to buy this year are now going to be doing it in the next several, let's say the 3 to 6 months. That means that we're going to start seeing activity, interest rates hotter and hotter. Now you're buying. I'll be honest with you, I don't think it's going to get to what we saw in 2021. But if you're a buyer, the best thing you can do is get out and make that purchase now. If you're looking to buy a new home, that's okay. Let's lock in that price before all those prices start going up. Once builders start seeing those buyers come back into the market, those incentives are going to go away. And lastly, just want to go and talk about the year-over-year numbers. So let's jump right into this. New listings are up 21.4%. That's up to 13,794 for the month of October. We also see active listings. Those are up 22.5%. That's at a number of 30,563. And what that means is that the number continues to go up. We've seen it since about April this year. Those have been jumping up. We're still below COVID numbers, but we're making our way closer to that. And average list price. Despite all the high interest rates and everything that's going on, we are still seeing these prices go up 5.3% to $439,275. Hey everybody, thank you so much for your time. Rivera Real Estate Group, we want to be your resources for real estate. So let us know whatever questions you have. We're here to help out, and give us a call. Like I always say in every video, we are local here to the area. We want to help out our community. Give us a call at 832-598-6825. And before I let you go, I just want to go and let you know I am here at this beautiful model home in Stone Creek by Toll Brothers. If you have not seen it, you've got to come take a look at it. Give me a call. We're going to book your personal and private tour. Make sure you have your time to take a look at this. An absolutely beautiful product. Stick tuned to see more of it.